Here comes the seagull trying to get food at Costco near Oxnard, California on June the 16th, 2016. Maybe he's Jonathan Livingston Seagull. He's trying to decide, do I want to get the food or do I go back to the other side of the road? Maybe I'll go in a circle. Oh, there's some food. Yes. He's so happy the kid gave him food. He's like, I'm not going to go too close to that kid. And so I'll just stand in the road and the guy in the cart can just wait for me. Watch out. Oh, here he comes again. Oh my gosh. Is he going to get more food? Oh, slowly. There he is watching the carts. Make sure nobody gets too close. Oh, the kid's going to give him more food. Ah, that was a big piece. Look at that. He's so happy. The little kid gave him food. All right, so our Jonathan Livingston Seagull got a good meal at Costco near Oxnard, California. And we can see, there's the little kids over there. They're cute over there. He gave, oh, there he is. That's the kid who gave him food. Say thank you, kid, for the food. All right, and there's Goliath. There he is. He's like, thank you, thank you. Okay, everybody, have a great day. Bye-bye. This is Lana Lisa Williams reporting in Oxnard, California, saying bye-bye to the sea.